Hi, my lovely Aquarians. Welcome back to Tarot Talks. I hope you guys are doing good and are safe with your family and loved ones. So, Aquas, today we are going to do the collective reading for your sign for the month of June 2025. Please note it's a collective reading and it might not resonate with all. So, just take what resonates and leave the rest, okay? You would also want to check other signs in your birth chart for a better and clear understanding. Also, guys, if any of this is your story, if any of this resonates with you, do give the video a thumbs up, drop comments, share your experiences, and last but not the least, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. So Aquas, while pre-shuffling, Queen of Swords kept on showing up so many times. And then I also saw King of Swords, soulmate. First of all, divine counterparts, soulmate energy. Okay, someone might have met his or her soulmate, or might be, or you might meet his or her soulmate. Okay, or rather your soulmate in upcoming months. But the thing is that what message I was getting very clearly is that someone really needs to be very clear in communication. You need to draw strict boundaries, okay? Like strict boundaries, like no. I mean, you cannot cross that line, okay? It should be, this communication should be passed on to someone very, very loud and clearly, or it is someone who is doing that to you, probably. I don't know. I'm just rendering the messages. You could be on either side of the stick. I saw that someone needs to walk away from some situation, and while walking away, make sure that you have learned your lessons, and you now know, now know what to tolerate and what is not acceptable, okay, or how much is too much, okay? That kind of energy I was getting very strongly throughout my pre-shuffling, okay? I saw King of Swords and I saw World card. I feel that someone has learned his or her lessons in a very harsh manner, okay? Some lessons learned hard way kind of energy, okay? Some karmic events happened and they were kind of eye opener for you guys, and you have actually suddenly become very wise, or wisdom has struck through these experiences or because of this experience, okay? You probably have blocked someone, okay, is what I was getting very, very strongly. Four of Swords came through, and I see that blocked communication. Either you or someone has blocked each other, and there is. I saw two pages. Okay, like you might expect someone. One is Page of Cups and one is Page of Swords. So some of you guys, someone might come and apologize to you, or wanting to apologize to you, and is probably stalking you because you have blocked that person, and is trying to reach out. But definitely apology could be on the way, or some message, some sort of message communication that can take you by surprise, Aquas, okay? Could be a younger person, because pages were showing up. Could be two people, I don't know, but two pages showed up, and which means some message is going to come your way. Some of you guys might be giving interviews, might be prepping up for interviews. A new job is in the horizon for you guys, Aquas. Yeah, strong air energy was coming throughout. Aquarius, Libra, Gemini, you have strong air in your birth chart elsewhere as well, okay? Or you're dealing with a fellow air sign, in which case you would like to check out that reading as well, or those signs as well, okay? So with that, let's get started and let's see what we have for you guys in the main reading. There you go, Page of Swords. The page was very much, and the Page of Cups, these pages were there while pre-shuffling as well, okay? I was just talking of that, and all the pre-shuffling cards have shown up, and I have shuffled enough. Trust me, I have shuffled enough. But the point is that the angels want to tell you this message, that whatever I told in terms of pre-shuffling is right, okay? Whatever I've said is right. Yeah. Oh wow. Really. I'll stop at that. Lot of messages. There is Magician also. You guys are probably manifesting big time. Let me quickly check the cards. I think we are good enough, right? So let me just move this a bit. Anyway, I'll be taking them at center. Yeah. So your health card has shown up as page of swords. You probably are kind of researching on some sort of diet or workout form and finding out more information, or you want to probably join a new gym or new fitness regime, and you are kind of researching. Okay, you are finding out more information about it. Maybe you are asking people who have already done that, like if someone is following intermittent fasting, you're probably talking to those people, asking them how it worked for them, how it is to be done, or maybe you're finding out more about it, or you're consulting a nutritionist. Okay, but yeah, lot of homework is being done is what I'm getting, guys, when it comes to your health slash fitness. And I feel that someone out there is very excited and feeling energetic. Okay, you are like very geared up and kicked up and about whatever this new thing that is you're about to start. Okay, it could be a new gym, it could be new diet routine, new nutritionist, new personal trainer, whatever it is. You are very very excited about it and curious about it, and very very thrilled to get started. Okay, overall a very nice energy, very inquisitive energy, very exciting energy. And like I said, Aquas, you probably might be dealing with someone who is younger to you. Okay, like maybe someone whom you're going to consult could be younger to you. Okay, or you are feeling younger by mentally, even if not by age. You could be old, but you're feeling very very young. Okay, I'm not meaning it in a mean way, just trying to render the sentiments. Okay, so please don't bash me for anything. Okay, so yeah, very inquisitive energy. By the way, guys, one thing for sure, overall I'm talking not just about, or not just in context of health, but I feel that you're going to receive a message very very soon from someone which is going to take you by surprise. This dove over here is kind of a, whatever it is, it's an eagle or whatever it is, it's a messenger to me. And please let me know what this message was about. It could be an opportunity, it could be an apology. Oh my god, were there 3 pages straight away in your reading? Yeah. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, definitely a message or communication. And I'm like really really curious to know now what it is for you. It's like very, it has this mysterious element to it, that this is something which you're not at all expecting. Okay, it could be even a job offer. Maybe you're not actively looking for a job, but all of a sudden an offer too good to turn down might just crop up. And all you'll know is that without meaning, or without consciously manifesting, you have landed yourself another job. Okay, that could also be the case, guys. Either ways, do let me know. If you are prepping up for interviews or anything, expect a job opportunity coming your way very very soon. And there is lot of young energy coming through. You could be dealing with young people is what I'm getting. Maybe at workplace you're working with people who are younger to you, or young blood, lot of new ideas, new perspective, and or a message from someone who is younger to you, whatever, but lot of young energy is coming through. Okay, moving on, your work slash finances is again showing up as page of cups and page of I'll put this card over here. In this energy, you're going to hear some major communication related to your work. It could be that promotion news, it could be the new job offer, something very very significant. And guys, trust me, you are not going to expect this at all. Maybe that award, maybe that recognition, maybe someone has kind of recognized you, maybe I don't know, whatever it is, I really don't know, but some crucial communication is coming your way. And there are a lot of there is going to be a lot of paperwork that is going to happen. Lot of paperwork that is going to happen. I feel that some of you guys might get either promoted or new job altogether. Okay, Libra energy showing up. There is so much of air in this spread and this energy right now. But yeah, you're going to get what you deserve. Okay, you're definitely going to get what you deserve, and at a time when you're really not expecting it. Okay, like Wow, I'm just getting a very good energy about this. Maybe also Aquas, for some of you guys, whatever paperwork was, stuck for you up until now, it's going to take shape and form, and it's going to materialize. There's going to be lot of communication, lot and lot, bold italics, caps, just whatever communication means to you, it's going to happen very very soon. Some of you guys might also travel overseas, is what I'm getting. Okay, yeah, I mean, maybe that is what is this all about. You might have not traveled, sorry, you might have not planned the travel right now, but someone might, like a friend or family, or that opportunity at a workplace, it will just crop up and it will give you an opportunity to travel overseas, is what I'm getting. But either ways, I see lots and lots of churn happening in terms of communication in your energy in upcoming months, guys. Do let me know what it was. Okay, moving on to your general messages. Four of swords, like I said, you definitely have blocked someone. I have, I'm very sure about that. But also someone has been working way too much. You have been multitasking, you have been juggling too many balls, too many responsibilities. You need to rest. Okay, I see that you really need to rest. Okay, snatch those naps in the afternoon if you can't sleep well at night. Okay, or you do not have enough time to sleep. Okay, like you cannot complete that 7 to 8 hours of sleep. Okay, make sure you are sleeping at least for 5 to 6 hours, or you're having naps during daytime whenever you can. Okay, otherwise you'll end up falling sick. Okay, because I see that someone is like really multitasking big time, and you really need to rest. Okay, someone is confused over something. One thing, this is very specific, which was not coming up until now. So this is very very specific, guys. If you are seeing someone, if you are dating someone, could be that that person is like, keeping his or her options open. Like, you may not be the only person this person is talking to. Okay, so just be mindful of that. Double timing, I won't say double timing per se, but definitely this person has his or her options open, is what I'm getting over here. Maybe someone might, maybe you might not take it right, and you might block this person. That could also be the case for someone out there. Like, maybe you were like kind of expecting commitment, and you were serious about each other, and you found out that this person is double timing me, and you blocked that person. Okay, that could be your lesson, which was connecting me to you, the pre-shuffling energy. So that could also be the case for someone out there. Okay, new love for sure for someone out there. Such a, I really like it when I see this energy. There is new love very strongly showing up for Sagittarius. If you have Sagittarius or dealing with Sagittarian, do check out that reading. Love is written all over for that energy for Sagittarians. Okay, but likewise, there is new love for you also that is going to show up. Maybe someone might just come and propose you. This page of cups could be that, these pages could be that. Maybe you might have one or more suitors, or maybe more than one person is interested in you, guys. You never know, whatever is the case. But I see love showing up at your doorstep very very clearly. High Priestess has shown up, Piscean energy. Someone really needs to kind of meditate. Okay, that's what I'm getting, because you are kind of, you are all over the place, is what I'm getting. And it's taking me to this Two of Pentacles energy. You have been doing too much, like more than what one human can do, and maybe it's time to just calm down, relax, and se- indulge in some self-care, is what I'm getting. And meditation definitely is the highest form of self-love. But there was something else that I was going to tell you. In High Priestess is all about intuition, but that is not what I'm, yeah, what I was saying, that Aquarians, maybe some of you guys might be a kind of consulting an astrologer or a fellow tarot reader. Maybe you're seeing tarot readings online, maybe you're seeing astrology related videos online, maybe you're consulting someone out there, like you're seeing this reading, you're watching this reading, maybe you're actually taking paid consultation from some tarot reader. You might have booked some reading. Okay, that could also be the case for someone out there, because you're trying to figure out something, some aspect of your life, is what I'm getting. Very specific message again, but yeah, that's what I'm getting very very clearly for someone out there. Very interesting reading, guys. Very very interesting, very very different. In fact, in the month of June, many readings were like really very very different and unique, like nothing that I've done before. Okay, so yeah, guys, I'm pulling one timeline card this month, and let's see when things are going to manifest for you guys. There is magician in your energy, so you guys definitely are manifesting silently, consciously, subconsciously. Also, guys, be very careful of someone who can be manipulative in your energy. Okay, be very very careful. This magician can end up teaching you some hard lessons. Okay, so be very very mindful. Do not trust anyone blindly. Do not let anyone influence or manipulate you just like that. Okay, so be little careful. So yeah, coming back to timelines, take it with a pinch of salt. Do not base your judgments, happiness, sorrow, sadness, excitement on this. Just take it as entertainment. Okay, so let's see what this magician is bringing you, or what you are manifesting. Let's see when that happens. Okay. Lovers card, Gemini energy, in between 21st May to 20th June, springtime. Okay, so guys, especially if it is love that you are manifesting, it might show up during this period, 21st May or to 20th June. Gemini energy, guys, like I said, I really don't know. There is page. There are. You are definitely in for a lot of surprises, is what I'm getting. And though maybe you might feel that hey, I mean, what are you talking about? But that's what surprise it is, isn't it? So, guys, do let me know. I'm really really excited if this thing happens, or if this kind of manifests for you, or whatever important, significant it is that happens in during this period. Do drop comments and let me know, or you can even message me in private and let me know. Anyway, let's pull one card from the Soul's Journey deck, guys. We are already 6 months down the year, and like literally how, guys, and just how. Let's see what lesson our angels want us to learn for the rest of this year. Okay. Okay. Health. Okay. I will honor the physical vessel that enshrines my soul. That has shown up, like the angels are very clearly and loudly wanting you to know that nothing is more important than your health. Health is wealth. Okay. This card just, like, it just jumped out like anything. If you have seen me shuffling, and I hardly shuffled. I mean, I shuffle for hardly any time, I meant. So anyway, so the angels definitely want you to take health very very seriously. This message is just not applicable to only you, but everybody for that matter, including me. Okay, as per Western astrology, I do have Aquarius in my it's my moon sign, and well, I am keeping my eyes and ears open now for whatever happens, or whatever communication is coming my way. So anyway, guys, that was quite an interesting reading, and I hope you liked it too, in which case do hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, spread the word, help my channel grow. Okay, I'll see you next month directly, guys. Till then, stay safe, stay blessed. Bye, take care.